In this video, I want to show you a program called repurpose.io. This is a fantastic program for being able to repurpose your short form video content across all of the other social media platforms. So let me give you a quick walkthrough as to what this can do for you to just ease the streamline of taking short form video and being able to use it elsewhere. So what it does is it pulls from whatever your original source is for short form video, and then it downloads it without the watermark and then uploads it into wherever you have asked it to upload into. So for instance, I have this set up here right now where my original source is my Instagram Reels. So it is going into my Instagram account. It is then pulling all of the videos that I've asked it to pull, and it's placing them into my G drive. Now this is an automatic publish, so it is going to work in the background for me all the time. So I just set this up to show you how this workflow goes. And when you go to view content, you'll see that it's kind of set up here. These are the ones that have currently been published. And then the rest are all auto scheduled. And I believe this is set, yeah, it says here that because this is a new workflow, it's automatically backing up into the Google Drive at a rate of 5 videos per hour. So every hour it's going to upload the 5 until all of these are complete. And as you can see, those are the 5 videos that it has originally done. So once this has completely gone through the entire list of videos that I've asked it to pull, then this will just continue on its own. Every time I post a video, it will go into this folder. So this is really handy, especially if you want to keep the video available without a watermark, so you never have to go searching platforms for it again. This is a really handy way to have it. But you can also take it from the original source and then auto schedule it, or manually schedule it if you like, into another platform. So this one here is set to take my Instagram Reels and publish them on TikTok. So as you can see, it is listed. So this is the last post that I had. And I can just click on it and it'll bring up the post as it shows in Instagram, so I know what I'm looking at. And then what you can do is come here to schedule, and then it'll give you the publishing abilities here. So in this case, we'll open this up. So it's pulling the exact same caption that I had in Instagram, and then it's allowing me to be able to do whatever I like from here. So if I wanted to take this away, I could take this away. If I wanted to scrub the whole thing and do something completely different in the caption, I can totally do that here. It also allows you the ability to leave that first comment, because we know sometimes that first bit of engagement, or if, especially on other platforms where you want to hide a link instead of having it in your caption itself, this is a good way to do it within the comment. You can also change the thumbnail. So you can go in here and it'll take a second and you can select your thumbnail. So I can go ahead, and run the video.
The fastest way to know.
And then I can stop it there if I want and select that as the thumbnail instead. So nice way of doing that. And that's it. We can, I think I've pulled all the caption off, so I have to go back in here. Yeah. So if I wanted to, I could go ahead and schedule this and I can place it on whatever day I want. And we'll make it 2:47 p.m. And there we go. It is scheduled to go out at 2:47 p.m. tomorrow. And then you can always check your calendar, which will tell you exactly where your content is going. Of course, it doesn't want to show up for me this time. Either case, you can see how that essentially works for you going forward. It's very easy to make it your own. And again, like, you can alter the captions, you can change the hashtags if you like, you can schedule it all out. You can even set it to auto so that it would post content as it came in. So once, if you had a backlog of videos done, then once you're current and caught up to date, you could have a video being posted on Instagram and 3 hours later it's auto posted into TikTok. Now, the other thing too is you can set up the connection so that it is set to manual, so that you will get a manual notification in that platform to to be able to post it. So kind of like how platforms will have you manually approve Instagram Reels, for instance. So great way to do it. And as you can see, I've done this in the past where my TikToks was my base, and then it got pushed out into all the other platforms as well. And you can see that there's several different types of connections that you can have. You have your standards across the board. And then of course you can open it up. You can see all of the connections that you would have the ability to do. Now, a lot of these you're probably never going to want to use anyway, but you can see that you have multiple choices here. But generally speaking, these main ones are your main platforms going forward. And that's it. I believe the price on this for your basic account is $25 a month. You do get a 2-week free trial if you want to try it out. And the link will be below this video for you if this is a platform that you would like to take a look at. So with that, I hope you have a lot of fun with it.